Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about the file output stream and file input stream. Okay, what is the usage of file output stream? File output stream is an output stream that is used for writing the data to a file. Okay, file output stream is used for writing data to a file. And what is the usage of file input stream? File input stream is used for reading byte-oriented data from a file. I repeat it again. File input stream is used for reading byte-oriented data from a file. Got it? Let's see this example. Here I have imported file output stream input-output exception. Okay, so this file output stream is present inside the java.io package. Likewise, IOException is also present inside the java.io package. Okay, here I have created the class. My class name is FOS. Inside this class, I have created the main method. Inside this main, I have created the data variable. Its data type is string. Okay, I have initialized the data. The value for data is, this is a line. Okay, and I have implemented the exception handling using the try catch block. Okay, here I have created the object for file output stream. Now only we have discussed what is the usage of file output stream, used for writing data to a file, isn't it? So here I have passed the path of the file. Okay, inside the D drive. Now I try to write a data. Okay, that's why I have used the file output stream class. Okay, this is the parameterized constructor for this class. Here I have created the variable data bytes. Okay, its data type is byte array. Okay, this is the array variable. Okay, what type of array is this? Byte array. Okay, and here I have used the get bytes inbuilt method that is present inside the string class. Okay, so with the help of this get bytes method, we can get the sequence of bytes of the string which is present inside the data variable. Got it? And here this is our object out. This is the object for this class, isn't it? And inside this class I have the method write inbuilt method. Okay, that's why I have used the object for this class. Okay, out.write. With the help of this inbuilt method, now I try to write this byte data inside this ABC text file. Up to this clear? Okay, and here this is our message. Okay, so data is written to the file. If this data is written inside this file properly, means we will get this output on our console. Okay, and this is also the inbuilt method. This is also present inside the file output stream. So with the help of this inbuilt method, we can close this file. Okay, and I have used the object for this class, isn't it? Okay, if any error is raised inside the try block, means the control comes here. Here we have the inbuilt exception class. Okay, this is the name of the variable. The inbuilt exception will be stored inside this variable that will be printed on our console with the help of the println method. Okay, I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Actually, here I have used the file output stream inbuilt class that is present inside the java.io package. Okay, and here I have passed the parameter, that is the path of the file. Okay, ABC is my text file name. Okay, now I try to write this string inside this file. Okay, so get bytes is used to convert this string into bytes. Okay, that converted byte value of this string will be stored inside this variable. Its data type is byte array. Okay, inside this class we have write and close method. With the help of this write method, we can write the converted byte value of this string. Okay, so this converted bytes will be stored inside this ABC text file. Okay, with the help of the close inbuilt method, we can close this ABC text file. If any error is occurred, means only the catch block will be executed. Got it? Okay, let me execute this one. This is our output. So this is written inside this ABC. This is the name of the text file. This is present inside the D drive. Now inside the D drive, this is my file name, isn't it? So I open this one. This line is written inside this ABC successfully, isn't it? See here, this is written inside the ABC text file. Okay, with the help of the file output stream class, we can write the data inside the file. Okay, now let's see this example. Here I have used the file input stream. So what is the usage of file input stream? Is used for reading byte-oriented data from a file, isn't it? Here, this is my class name FIS. I have created the main, and inside the main I have implemented the try catch, that is the exception handling, and inside the try block I have created the object for file input stream class. Okay, and this is the parameterized constructor. Here I have passed the path of the file. Now I want to read the content from this ABC file. Okay, and here this is the output statement, data in the file, and reads the first byte. How can I read? With the help of the read method. Okay, this read method is present inside the file input stream class. Okay, that's why I have used the input object, because this input object is the object for this file input stream, isn't it? So I have to use this object to call the method from this file input stream class, isn't it? So this read method is used to read the first byte from this file content. Okay, and that value will be stored inside the I variable. Its data type is integer only. Okay, and here I have implemented the while. Okay, so here I have given -1. That means when the I value reaches the end of the file, okay, at the time this while loop will be terminated. Okay, this loop will be executed till the end of the file. That is the meaning for this -1. Okay, -1 is equivalent to the end of the file of this ABC. Okay, and here when the I value not equal to -1 only, the control comes inside the while block. Okay, and here that value of I will be printed. That is the byte value will be printed on our console. And that byte value will be converted into character with the help of the casting. Okay, so the integer value will be converted into char. That value will be printed on our console. And the next byte value will be read with the help of this statement. Okay, so that value will be stored inside the I variable. And again the control jumps from the 19th line to the 13th line. So if the I value not equal to -1, the control again comes inside the while loop. And the I value will be printed, and the character of I value will be printed, and again the third byte value will be read with the help of this statement. This process is going on till the end of the file is reached. Okay, when the end of the file is reached, this read method returns -1. So what will happen? this while block will be terminated. Okay, all the letters from this file will be printed with the byte value on our console. This close method is present inside the file input stream. This is used to close the ABC text file. Okay, this inbuilt method is present inside the file input stream. That's why I have used the object for this class. Okay, and if any error is occurred means this catch block is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Inside the ABC, this is our content, isn't it? Now, with the help of the file input stream class, I read the content from the ABC. That content with byte value will be printed using this file input stream class. Okay, let me execute this one. So, this THIS, okay, this, and this is 32 is the byte value for space, and IS, okay, and this is the character. Okay, here the integer value is printed, that is the byte value is printed, and then single hyphen and the character of I, and 104 is the byte value for H, likewise 105 is the byte value for I. Okay, all the other letters with byte values are printed. Got it? So, inside the ABC we have, this is a line, isn't it? So, inside the ABC text file we have this output. So, this line is printed with the byte value. That's why we got these numbers. Got it? I hope you all understood about the file input stream and file output stream. Now let's discuss about how to copy and paste the content from one file to another file. Okay, we have already discussed about the file input stream and file output stream. What is the usage of file input stream? File input stream is used for reading byte-oriented data from a file. Am I correct? And what is the usage of file output stream? File output stream is used for writing data to a file. Okay, I repeat it again. File input stream is used for reading byte-oriented data from a file. File output stream is used for writing data to a file. Okay, so I have imported file input stream and file output stream and inbuilt exception class, input output exception. Okay, these all belongs to the java.io package. I have created the class. Class name is COPA. Okay, and inside this class I have created the main method. Here I have used the throws keyword. Did you remember the throws keyword? Yes. Throws keyword indicates what exception type may be thrown by a method. Okay, so what is the usage of throws keyword? I repeat it again. The throws keyword indicates what exception type may be thrown by this main method. Okay, and inside this main method I have created the objects for file input stream and file output stream. Okay, source stream, this is my object name for this class. This is the parameterized constructor for this file input stream. Now, I want to read the content from ABC text file and I want to paste that content into this AB text file. Both are inside the D drive. Okay, and I have created the target stream for file output stream. This is the class name, this is the object name, whatever you want to give. Okay, and this is the parameterized constructor for this class file output stream. Okay, I have given the path of the file. Up to this clear? Okay, here I have created the variable temp. Its data type is integer. Okay, and I have implemented the while loop. Okay, and here I have given -1. Okay, what is the meaning of this -1? -1 is equivalent to the end of the file. Okay, actually I want to read the content from this ABC. Okay, so -1 is equivalent to the end of the file of this ABC text file, because I want to read the content from this file only, isn't it? Here I have used the file input stream for this file only. Got it? Okay, here first I have to read. Okay, so what I will do? I have to use the read inbuilt method that is present inside the file input stream inbuilt class, which is present inside the java.io package. Okay, here this read method is used to read the byte value from the ABC. Okay, the first byte will be read using this inbuilt method which is present inside the file input stream. That's why I have used the object for this class, source stream. For this class, here I have given the source stream dot operator read inbuilt method. Okay, that value will be stored inside this temp variable. Okay, and if the value is not equal to -1, that is not equal to the end of the file only, the control comes inside the while loop. Okay, and here I have used the write inbuilt method which is present inside the file output stream. That's why I have used the object for this file output stream, target stream here. Okay, and this write method is used to write the temp value. First we have to typecast. Okay, here the integer value will be converted into byte, then only we can write that byte value into the target stream. That is, what is our target stream? This is our target, isn't it? AB text file is our target. So, the first letter from ABC will be pasted into this AB text file. Up to this clear? And then the control again jumps from the 18th line to the 15th line. Again, the second letter from the source will be read and that value will be stored inside the temp, and if the temp value is not equal to -1, that is not equal to end of file only, the control comes inside the while loop and that value will be converted into byte, and the converted byte value will be stored inside the target stream, that is our AB text file. Okay, this process is going on till the end of the file is reached. When the value of temp equal to -1, that is the end of the file, then the while loop will be terminated. At the time, the content from ABC will be pasted into this AB text file. All the content from ABC will be stored inside the AB text file. Is it clear? If this process is completed, we will get this success message on our console. After that, we have to close the source stream, that is the file input stream object, and then the target stream, that is the file output stream object, in order to avoid the corruption of these files. Got it? So these close methods are present inside the file input stream and file output stream respectively. Got it? So now let me execute this one. Here I got success. We open the ABC text file. So this is our ABC text file. Here I have God is always with us, isn't it? Now I open the AB text file. This is also present inside the D drive. So the content from ABC is copied and stored inside the AB text file using the file input stream class and file output stream class. Got it? Now I change the content of ABC. God is great. Okay. I save this file. Okay. But here we have only the old content. Okay. Now again I execute the same program. Okay, now inside the ABC what we have? We have this content only. God is great. Okay, but here we have God is always with us. After executing this one, we will get what? The same content from ABC, isn't it? So now I execute the same program again. Now I got the success. This is our output. So you go and check AB text. Now this content is changed because inside the ABC now we have God is great. That content only is printed here. God is great. Okay. I hope you all understood about how to copy the content from one file to the another file using the file input stream class and file output stream class. Both are present inside the java.io package. Okay. Now let's discuss about the input stream reader class and the buffered reader class. Okay. The input stream reader class is present inside the java.io package. Okay, and what is the role of the input stream reader class? It is used to convert data in bytes into data in characters. Okay, I repeat it again. Input stream reader class is used to convert data in bytes into data in characters. Okay, and its parent class is the reader class. Okay, the reader class is the abstract class. And the buffered reader class that is used to read the text from a character based input stream. Okay, its parent class is the reader class. Okay, inside the buffered reader class we have read inbuilt method and read line inbuilt method. With the help of the read method we can read a character. Okay, and with the help of the readLine method, we can read the data line by line. That makes the performance fast. Okay, I hope you all understood about the input stream reader class and the buffered reader class. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have imported the buffered reader, input output exception inbuilt exception class and input stream reader class. All are present inside the java.io package. And my class name is carRead. Inside this class I have created the main method and I have used the throws keyword. We have already discussed about this throws keyword. Okay, so this method might throw this input output exception. Okay, and here I have created the object for input stream reader class. Now only we have discussed what is the role of the input stream reader. It is used to convert data in bytes into data in characters, isn't it? Okay, and its parent class is the abstract reader class. Okay, and here I have given the parameterized constructor. Okay, this is the parameterized constructor for input stream reader class. Inside the round brackets, I have passed the system.in. Okay, through keyboard we can give the input. Okay, and here I have used the buffered reader class. So what is the role of the buffered reader? This class is used to read the text from a character based input stream, isn't it? Inside this buffered reader class only we have the read method as well as the read line method. If we want to read a character, we can use the read method. If we want to read a line, we can use the read line method. Okay, so both are present inside the buffered reader class. Okay, and here I have used the parameterized constructor for buffered reader. Inside the round brackets, I have passed the input stream reader class object ISR. This is the object name for this class. Okay, that's why I have passed ISR inside the buffered reader class. Okay, and this is for output message. Enter any character. Okay, and BR. This is the object name for buffered reader. Inside the buffered reader, we have the inbuilt method read to read a character, isn't it? So I have used the object for this class to call the method. Okay, and here read method reads a single character. Okay, so it returns the integer. So that's why I have used the typecasting process here. Okay, so the returned integer value will be converted into char. That value will be stored inside the input. That's data type is char. Okay, and that value will be printed on our console using the print method. Okay, so inside this main method I have used two classes, input stream reader class and buffered reader class. The main role of input stream reader class is to convert data in bytes into data in characters. Okay, and what is the role of the buffered reader class? It is used to read character. Okay, let me execute this one. Enter any character. This is our output stream. Now I give P. Okay, now I press the enter key. I got the output. The input is P. Okay, this is my output statement. Inside the input variable, the given input is stored. That's why we got this output. So read method returns the integer value of the given input, and that value is converted into char with the typecasting process, and that value is stored inside the input variable. That's why we got this output. Got it? Now let's discuss about how to read a line from the keyboard using buffered reader class and input stream reader class. Okay, in the last session we have discussed about how to read a character from the keyboard using the buffered reader and input stream reader class, isn't it? So what is the usage of input stream reader class? It is used to convert data in bytes into data in characters. Am I correct? It extends the abstract class reader. Okay, what is the usage of buffered reader class? It is used to read the text from a character-based input stream. It can be used to read a character by read method. It can be used to read data line by readline method. Okay, it inherits reader class. Now we will discuss about how to read the line from the keyboard using the read line method, which is present inside the buffered reader class. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have imported buffered reader class, input stream reader class, input output exception class. Okay, all are present inside the java.io package. And this is my class, read str. Inside this class I have the main method. Okay, I have used the throws keyword. The main method might throw the input output exception, because inside this method we have used the buffered reader and input stream reader class. And here I have created the object read. Okay, this is my object name. For input stream reader class, this is the parameterized constructor. Inside the round brackets we have passed the system.in. We can get the input from the keyboard. That's why I have used the system.in here. Okay. And I have created the object br for buffered reader class. This is the parameterized constructor for this class. Here I have passed the read input stream reader object. Okay, read is the object for this class. So inside the buffered reader parameterized constructor, I have passed the object of the input stream reader class. Okay, and this is the output message. Enter a string. And here I have used the inbuilt method, read line method. Okay, this is present inside the buffered reader class. That's why I have used the object br for this class. Okay, this read line is present inside the buffered reader. That's why I have used the br object here. Okay. So what is the role of this inbuilt method? This is used to read the string or line from the keyboard during the execution of the program. Okay. That value will be stored inside the input variable. Data type is string. Okay. ReadLine method returns the string value only. So that string value will be stored inside the variable. That's data type is string. Okay, and the stored input value will be displayed with the help of the print method. Okay, on our console. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Okay, in the last session we have used the read method from bufferedReader class. In this example, we have used the readLine method from the bufferedReader class. Okay, according to our requirement, we choose either read method or readLine method. Read method reads a single character. ReadLine method reads a line or a string. Okay, let me execute this one. So this is our output statement. Now I give Priya. Okay, this is the input from the keyboard. I press the enter key. Now, this is our output. Okay, so this readLine method is used to read the data from the keyboard. Okay, that value is stored inside the input variable that is printed here. Got it? Okay. Now let's discuss about how to create the file using the inbuilt class file that is present inside the java.io package. Okay, first I have to import the file class. Import java.io file. F must be capital. Okay, file is the name of the class that is present inside the java.io package. And I have to import one more inbuilt class. Okay, so that is IOException inbuilt class. Okay, and this is my class. This class is inside this package, and I have created the main method. Now I have to create a new file using this file class. Okay, what I will do? First, I have to create the object for this file class. Okay, file f object. This is the name of the object for file class, and a new keyword and parameterized constructor for file class. Inside the round brackets, I have to pass the parameter. The parameter is nothing but the name of the file. Okay. Inside the double quotes, I have to give the path of the file. Okay. Grapes dot text file. Okay. And I have to implement the exception handling in order to avoid the runtime errors. Okay. In order to maintain the execution flow of the program. Okay. So what I will do? I have to use the try catch block. Okay. So try and catch inside the round brackets. Now I pass the IOException inbuilt class. Okay, and I have to give the name of the variable. So inside the try block, now I have to place the suspicious code. Okay. Here I have used the decision making statement if. Okay, and the object name for file class is f object dot create new file. Okay, this is the inbuilt method. This method is present inside the file class. Okay, so this create new file method returns the boolean value. If the file is created means this method returns true. Okay, If this file is not created, it returns false. Okay. So now, if the file is created successfully means what is the message? System.out.println the created file concatenation symbol plus and the name of the object F object dot get name method. Okay, so this is the inbuilt method. This is used to return the name of the file. Okay, and the end of the statement is semicolon. Okay, if this method returns false means the else block will be executed. Okay, system.out.println the given file is already exist. Okay, this is only the output statement. We should give the semicolon at the end of the line. Okay, and if any input output error is occurred means what will happen? This catch block is responsible to handle the raised error. Okay, so this is the inbuilt exception class. This is the variable for this exception class. Okay, so the inbuilt error message will be stored inside the variable IE that will be printed on our console using the println method. So the variable name IE. Got it? So inside the java.io package we have the file class. Inside this file class we have the createNewFile and getName inbuilt methods. This createNewFile returns the boolean value. It returns true when this file is created successfully. Okay, it returns false, file is already present. Okay, so here this inbuilt method is used to return the name of the created file. Okay, so now let me execute this one. Here the created file grapes. Okay, now again if I execute the same means what we will get? Actually this is now only created. So if I execute the same again means what we will get? The else block only will be executed, isn't it? The given file is already exist. Okay, so if I execute the same program again means we got, so the given file is already exist. Got it? If there is any error is occurred means this catch block will be executed. Okay, I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Now let's discuss about how to read the content from the specified file using the file inbuilt class. In the last session we have discussed about how to create a file using the file inbuilt class, isn't it? Now with the help of the scanner class we can read the content from the specified file. First I import file class. File not found exception class. This is one of the inbuilt exception class. Next, scanner class that is present inside the utility package. Okay. And this is my class name, test file read. Okay, so inside this class I have created the main method. Now I am going to implement the exception handling by try and catch block. So inside the round brackets I gave the file not found exception inbuilt class, and the variable for this class, whatever we want we give. Here I give FE. Okay. So now inside the try block, first I create the object for file class. Okay. File is the name of the class that is present inside the java.io package. Now I give the object name for file class, my object. Okay. And a new keyword. This is used to create the memory for this object during the execution of the program, and parameterized constructor for file class. And inside the round brackets we have to mention the path of the file. Okay. Inside the double quotes, D drive backslashes and AB. This is my text to file name, and end of the statement semicolon. Okay. And I create the object for scanner. Okay. Scanner is the name of the class, and my reader, this is my object for scanner class, and a new keyword scanner. Inside the round brackets I pass the my object, that is the object for file class. Okay. I use the while loop. Okay. With the help of the while loop, I try to read the content from the specified file. Okay. So this object holds the address for this file. Here I have passed the object into the scanner class. Okay. Now I am going to implement the while loop to read the content. Okay. While inside the round brackets we have to give the expression, isn't it? So here my reader dot has next line. Okay. So what is the role of this inbuilt method? This method checks whether the next line is present inside the specified file or not. Okay. If the line is present, means it returns the true boolean value. If there is no line is present, means it returns the false boolean value. Okay. So inside this my reader object, we have passed the my object. This is the object for file class. Inside this object we have this file, isn't it? So this method, whether the content is present inside the specified file or not. Okay, if it returns true, the content is present. If there is no content inside this file, means this method returns the false. Got it? Okay. And inside the while block, first I create the string object. String content. Okay. And here my reader. This is the object for the scanner class. Okay, next line. This is one of the inbuilt method that is also present inside the scanner class. So here I have used the #nextLine inbuilt method that is also present inside the scanner class, and the next line, this is also one of the inbuilt methods that is also present inside the scanner class. Okay, so this method returns what? This method returns the line from the specified file. Okay, so that string will be stored inside this variable. Okay, content, its data type is string. Okay, so next line returns the string data type. Okay, and using the println method, now I try to print the content on my console. Okay, and this process is going on till this inbuilt method returns false. That means if there is no content is present means this method returns false. If it returns false means the while loop will be terminated. Okay, so all the content from the specified file will be printed on our console using this next line inbuilt method. This method is used to check whether the content is present inside the AB text file. Okay, this method is used to return the string, okay, from the specified file. Okay, and we have to close the scanner object in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file. Okay, so my reader is the object for scanner class, and close. If any error is occurred inside the try block means catch block only responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. The inbuilt error message will be stored inside this variable. Okay, now that value will be printed on our console using the println method. FE. That's it. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Okay, let me execute this one. So this is our output. Using the scanner class, we can read the content from the specified file. Go to the file and open inside the D drive AB. So this is our content. Okay, so I got this content. So inside the main method, I have created the object for file inbuilt class and a parameterized constructor I have used. So inside the round brackets, I have passed the path of the file. I have used the scanner class. This is the object for scanner, and I have used the scanner parameterized constructor. Okay, inside the round brackets, I passed the object for file class, and I have used the #nextLine inbuilt method that is present inside the scanner class, which is used to check whether the content is present inside the specified file or not. Okay, if it returns true means the control comes inside the while loop, and this is the variable. Here I have used the next line inbuilt method. This is also present inside the scanner class. Okay, so what is the role of the next line inbuilt method? This is used to read the line from the specified file that will be stored inside the content that will be printed on our console. And when this #nextLine inbuilt method returns false, the while loop will be terminated. After then, the scanner class will be closed using the close method. Okay, here we have used the inbuilt exception class. If any error is raised inside the try block, this will be used to handle the error. Okay, and the error message will be printed using the println method. Okay, so we got this output from this AB text file. Okay, now let's discuss about how to write the content in the file using the FileWriter class. Okay, first I import the FileWriter class that is present inside the java.io package. F must be capital, W must be capital. Okay, and I import input output exception to handle the errors. Okay, and this is my class test2FileWrite. Inside this class I have created the main method. Now I implement the exception handling using the try and catch block. So inside the round brackets I pass the input output exception and the name of the variable, whatever we want we give. Here I give IE. Now I create the object for FileWriter class. Okay, FileWriter is the name of the class and FW is the name of the object for FileWriter class, and new is the keyword that is used to create the memory for FW object during the execution of the program, and parameterized constructor for FileWriter class. Inside the round brackets we have to pass the path of the file. Inside the D drive backslashes text file. AB is my text file. Now I try to write the content inside this file only using the FileWriter class. Okay, and inside this FileWriter class we have the write inbuilt method. Okay, with the help of that write method only now we can write the content inside this AB text file. Okay, so I use the object for FileWriter class to call the write method. Okay, and here inside this round brackets we pass the content inside the quotes. Welcome to my home. Always be happy. Okay, so this is the content. Whatever we want we give. So this content will be stored inside the AB text file using this write method that is present inside the FileWriter class. Okay, that's why I have used the object for this class. Okay, we have to close the object for FileWriter class in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file. Okay, so FW is the object for FileWriter class, and using the close method we can close the opened file. Okay, system.out.println successfully updated. This is for our output message. Okay, if any error is raised inside the try block means this catch block is responsible to handle that error. Okay, so this inbuilt exception class is used to handle the error that is raised inside the try block. Okay, and here system.out.println IE. Okay, this is the variable for this IOException class, So the inbuilt exception message will be stored, that will be printed with the help of the println method. Okay, so I repeat it again. This is my file. Okay, AB is my text file. This file is present inside the D drive, and I want to write the content inside this text file. How is it possible? With the help of the FileWriter class. Okay, this FileWriter class is present inside the java.io package. Okay, and inside the FileWriter class we have the write inbuilt method. With the help of this inbuilt method only we can write the content inside this specified file. Okay, and after then we have to close the FileWriter object in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file. Okay, and this is only the output statement. This catch is responsible to handle the error that is raised inside the try block. Okay, so here this is the name of the variable. The inbuilt error message will be stored inside this variable that will be printed on our console using the println method. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. First we have to save this file. Now let me execute this one. So we got successfully updated. Okay, open the file that is present inside the D drive. Okay, what is the name of the file? AB. This is the file. Here, welcome to my home, always be happy. Okay, now I change this content. God is always with us. This is my new content. After save, I execute the same. We got successfully updated. Now open that file again. AB is the name of the file. So God is always with us. So if we want to write the content inside the specified file, we can use the FileWriter class. Okay, this is present inside the java.io package, and inside the FileWriter class we have the write inbuilt method. Using this inbuilt method we can write the content inside the specified file. Now let's discuss about how to get the information about the file using the file inbuilt class. Okay, first I import file class. F must be capital, and this is my class name, test file info. Inside this class I have created the main method. Now I create the object for file class. New is the keyword to create the memory for F object during the execution of the program, and file parameter constructor. Inside the round brackets I pass the path of the file. Text to file. Now I use the while loop. Inside the file object we have the exist method. Okay, so now I use the object for file class to call that method, f object dot exist method. Okay, so this method returns boolean value. If it returns true, this file is exist inside the D drive. If it returns false, this file is not present inside the D drive. Okay, so now system.out.println the file name. Concatenation symbol, my object name FOBJ dot get name method. Okay. Likewise, I copy this statement, print absolute path of the given specified file. I use the get absolute path. Okay, this is the inbuilt method that is present inside the file class. This method returns the absolute path of the specified file. Okay, and then writable. Is this writable or not? How can I check? Inside the file class we have the can write inbuilt method. With the help of that method we can check whether this file is writable or not. Okay, so what method? Can write method. Okay, and I want to check whether the specified file is readable or not. Okay, so what can I do? We have the method. What method? Can read method is present inside the file class, so we can use that method. Okay, can read. So this method returns boolean value again. It returns true if the specified file is readable. Okay, and I change the output statement. And the size of the file. How can I get? Using the length method. Okay, this is also the inbuilt method that is present inside the file class. Okay, this method returns the byte size of the specified file. Okay, and if the specified file is not present, the exists method return the false. At the time the control comes here, else block. Okay, so the file does not exist. Okay, so if we want to know the file information, we can use the file class. Okay, inside the file class we have so many inbuilt methods. From that methods we can use, okay, whatever we need. Here I have used the get name method, get absolute path, can write, can read, and length. Okay, get name method returns the name of the specified file. Get absolute path returns the path of the specified file. Can write method returns boolean. It returns true if the specified file is writable. Okay, it returns false if the specified file is not writable. Okay, likewise can read method returns boolean. It returns true if the specified file is readable. Okay, if it returns false means the specified file is not a readable one. Okay, length returns the byte size of the given specified file. Got it? Okay, here we have the error message. Okay, here I have to give the if, not while. Okay, decision making statement only we have to implement here. So if it returns false only, the control comes here and the else block will be executed. Okay, First I have to save. Now let me execute the program. GetName returns ab.textToFile and getAbsolutePath returns the path of the file D drive ab text, and canWrite method returns true. We can write, and canRead method returns true, so we can read, and the length of the given file is 35. Okay, this is the byte size. Got it? Okay, you go and check. So what content inside the AB text, inside the D drive AB. Good morning, welcome to my home. This is my content. Okay, so we got 35. This is the size of the file. Okay, now let's discuss about how to delete the specified file using the inbuilt file class. We know already the inbuilt file class is present inside the java.io package. Okay, now I import the file class java.io.file, and I have created the class test2file del, and inside this class I have created the main method. Okay, now I create the object for this file class. Okay, file is the inbuilt class, my object is my object for this class. Okay, and new is the keyword, and now I use the parameterized constructor for file class. Inside the round brackets I pass the path of the file. AB text2file. Okay, now I am going to implement the decision making statement. If and my object, this is the object name for file class, dot operator, and inside the file class we have the delete method. Okay, using that delete method only now we are going to delete the specified file. Okay, now I use the delete method. Okay, if the specified file is deleted successfully, means the if block will be executed. System.out.println, the name of the file object dot getName method. We know this method is used to return the file name, isn't it? And the concatenation symbol inside the quotes is deleted successfully. Okay, and the else block. If the specified file is not deleted, means the else block will be executed. System.out.println failed to delete. This is only the output message. Okay, first I have to save. First I open this file AB text2file. Open inside the D drive AB file. I just open it. So this is the content. Okay, so this file is present inside the D drive, isn't it? Okay, now let me execute this program. AB text is deleted successfully. Okay, here give the space. Okay, so this file is deleted. Okay, let me check. I tried to open the AB text file. Now only I have opened. Okay, this AB file is present inside the D drive. Now I check inside the D drive. See, there is no AB file. Okay, so this file is deleted now only. Okay, so if we want to delete the file, we can use the delete method that is present inside the file class. This file class is present inside the java.io package. Okay, if the specified file is deleted means the if block will be executed. Okay, the specified file is not deleted. What will happen? The else block will be executed. Okay, let me execute the same again. Failed to delete because this file is not present now, isn't it? That's why we got this output. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's discuss about how to write the content inside the specified file using the printWriter class and string tokenizer class. Okay, we already discussed about the file output stream class. That is an output stream class used for writing the data into a file, isn't it? Now I am going to write the program to write the content inside the specified file using these three classes. Okay, first I import file output stream class java.io package file output stream class, and then I import printWriter class java.io.printWriter class. Okay, and I import string tokenizer class that is present inside the utility package, not IO package. Okay, so this is the name of the class. Inside this class I have created the main method. Here I have used the throws keyword. Okay, and this is the inbuilt exception class. Now I create the object for file output stream. My object name is fout. Whatever we want we give. Here I have given fout. Okay, new keyword and the parameterized constructor for file output stream class. Inside the round brackets, I pass the path of the file, text file, and I create the object for printWriter class. Okay, in order to write the content inside the file, I create the object for the printWriter class. Okay, pout is the name of the object for printWriter class, and use the keyword and parameterized constructor for printWriter class, and inside the round brackets I pass the object of file output stream, that is fout. Okay, up to this clear? Then I create the string tokenizer object. Okay, string tokenizer is the name of the class that is present inside the utility object. Now I create the object for string token. st is the object name for string tokenizer, and then use the keyword and parameterized constructor for string tokenizer, and inside the round brackets I pass the statement. Whatever you want you give. Now I give health is wealth. Okay, so now I try to write these tokens. Token is nothing but what? The words. Okay, so what is the usage of a string tokenizer class? This class takes an input stream and passes it into tokens. Okay, allowing the tokens to be read one at a time. I repeat it again. The string tokenizer class takes an input stream and passes it into tokens. Okay, that is words, and allowing the tokens to be read one at a time. Okay, and then I implement the while loop. While st is the object for string tokenizer class, and inside the string tokenizer class we have so many inbuilt methods. Now I use the hash more tokens inbuilt method. Okay, so what is the usage of this inbuilt method? This method returns boolean value. Boolean value means it returns either true or false. Okay, this method returns false if there is no string inside this object. Okay, so now inside the while loop I use the pout object. Pout is what? The object for printWriter class. Okay, and println method. Inside the round brackets I write the object for string tokenizer and inbuilt method next token. So what is the usage of this inbuilt method? This method is used to write the token inside the specified file and moves the file pointer to the next token. Okay, this is the task for this inbuilt method. Okay, hash more tokens and next token. These two inbuilt methods are present inside the string tokenizer class. Okay, this method returns boolean value. It returns true if the string is present inside this object, and this method returns false. There is no string present inside the st object. Okay, st is the object for string tokenizer class, and next token returns the next word or token from the given statement. Okay, and finally we have to close the f out. What is it? This is the object for file output stream, and pout, this is the object of the printWriter class. Okay, we have to close these two objects in order to avoid the corruption. Okay, so this is the text file. Inside this file only I try to write this statement using the string tokenizer class. Inside this string tokenizer class we have the hash more tokens inbuilt method and next token inbuilt method. Okay, this method is used to check whether the word is present inside the object of string tokenizer class. Okay, and this method is used to move the file pointer to the next token. Okay, and after the execution of this while loop, all the tokens inside this object will be written inside this specified file. Okay, so system.out. println success. I save this program. Let me execute this one. Now success we got. That means this string is written inside the specified file using these three classes: file output stream class, printWriter class, and string tokenizer class. Now I check that file. Inside the D drive, the file name is AB. Okay, I've opened this one. Here health is wealth. So we got the output. Okay, health is one token, is one token, and wealth dot dot. This is the final token. Okay, I hope you all understood the execution flow of the program. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.